friends, my name is Gan. Welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna learn Sarvangasana. So let's begin.
Benefits of doing this Sarvangasana are that it promotes growth and refreshes the body. It is also known as the queen or mother of all yogasanas. Lie on your back. Bend your knees. Bring them towards your chest. Raise your hips and legs off the floor. Support your back with your palms. Straighten your legs and keep them together. Keep your toes pointed. Remember to breathe properly. Stay in this pose for 1 to 3 minutes. To come out of this pose, bend your knees and come down. Now relax.
Thank you.